This is a roadmap of how you can start a review channel for new AI tools weekly. If you want to create a new video channel on which you can review new AI tools weekly, this is how you can do it. First of all, you'll need to figure out where you want to post these review videos. You can do it on Instagram, or the best shot is YouTube. So we're gonna go ahead and create a channel on YouTube. Go on to youtube.com on your browser, click on your profile from the top right corner, and you'll see the option to create a channel. Here you need to give it a name and a handle. You can also select the picture and click on create a channel. Now that your channel is created, you'll need to find ideas. To find these ideas and even video scripts, you can use AI models like ChatGPT. To give it a prompt, you can ask anything about the type of videos that you want to make. For example, give me video ideas related to reviewing trending AI tools. This is the most basic prompt you can add. You can add any sort of details that you want. Once you click on enter, you can see that ChatGPT has created billions of ideas for me to use. For example, general review series, a use case based content, niche specific series, creative and fun content, and whatnot. You can take all the ideas from here and create the videos. In order to post the video, you'll need to go on to YouTube Studio. Just search YouTube Studio onto your Google account, and this is the page that you'll see. You'll need to click on create from the top right corner and then select upload videos. Here you can upload your video easily on your YouTube channel. You can post a new review on an AI tool weekly here in order to create your channel's consistency. Another pro tip, you can use Canva AI to create the thumbnails for you. Just search up Canva AI on your Google account. Here you can prompt anything and it will make it for you. For example, create me a thumbnail for whatever topic of your video. Once you click on enter, it will create thumbnails for you. By going through this process weekly, you'll be able to create a review channel for AI tools that you can upload on weekly. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful and want to see more like this, make sure to subscribe and like this video.